Hello friends, this is a crochet round purse. Here I have used the granny pattern, and in this pattern I am using 5 color of cotton thread. And one 3.5 mm crochet hook. Let us start. First you take your favorite color yarn and make one slip knot. And make 5 chains. And join it with your first stitch. Make small circle and then make 1, 2, 3 chain. Count as a first double crochet and make 2 more double crochet. Total 3 double crochet, and then you go to the first stitch and here you make 1, and then make 2 chain and make 3 double crochet. Then 2 chain and make 3 DC. You repeat same pattern 6 times. To chain and repeat it 6 times. Hello friends, I have finished the first round and then I am attaching another color yarn or thread. You can use the yarn for this pattern, and here I am making one slip stitch for joining, and then make 2 more chains. Count as a first DC and make 2 more DC in the same space. And you remove your hook and you go to the first stitch and you take stitch and then you insert the third stitch and make it 1. And then 2 chain and make 3 DC. And go to the first DC of the first double crochet and go to the third stitch and you make it 1. And here you watch 3 DC, 2 chain, 3 DC in the same space and then make 2 chain and go to the next space between 2 DC stitch and you repeat same. You make 3 DC, 2 chain, 3 DC in the every space between the 3 DC stitch. Repeat it. For third round, you go to the any space between 3 DC stitch. I have completed third round, and then for fourth round you attach your another color yarn or thread by slip stitch. And make here I am increasing my stitches, so you make 3 double crochet, 1 chain, and then 3 double crochet in the first space, very first space. And then go to the next space, make 3 DC, then go to the next, make 3 DC, two chain, 1 chain, and then 3 DC. Then go to the next space, make 1, 2, total 3 DC, and then go to the next and make 3 DC 1 chain, and then 3 DC in the same space. Then go to the next space, make 3 DC, and you repeat same stitch in this round. Hello friends, this is the bottom part of the purse. Here I have increased my stitches for this size. This is the very small purse. If you want to make the little bit big, then you repeat the 3 DC into the every space in the next row, and then you repeat this row 3 DC, 1 chain, 3 DC into the first space, in the second space 3 DC, in the third space 3 DC, 1 chain, 3 DC, and this is the bottom part. Here you watch it. This is looks like one flower with leaves, and then here this is the last. Here I have increased my stitches, and then you start the upper part of the bag. So you attach your yarn in any space, and you use your bright color yarn in any space and make 3 DC. DC. Then you go to the next space and make 3 DC. You do not any increase in this row any stitch. You do not increase any stitch in this row. You make only 3 DC in the every space. Repeat this stitch, this pattern at least 8 to 9 rows. You repeat it. Here I have repeat the 8 times the same stitch, 3 DC in the every stitch. You repeat it, and then in the last row here I am using the cell stitch pattern, and here I have inserted one ribbon of the crochet thread, and in the bottom part here also I have attached one pom-pom, small pom-pom, and this is the very simple and unique pattern for beginners, and please you try it. Thank you.